Hello, thanks for stopping by. I'm Malcolm Dewey, and this is my studio where I get to spend time painting and talking to people like you about my art. Now, purchasing a painting is not an easy experience, especially if you're doing it for the first time, or maybe you don't know the artist that well and you're just trying to find out more information before you commit to purchasing your first painting. I know that when I started collecting art about 20 years ago, my first purchase was in fact a print. It's what I could afford at the time, and I agonized a bit over the decision, but I still have that print today, and it is a reminder to me of that first leap into collecting art. Since then, my only regrets about collecting art is those paintings that I didn't buy. The funny thing about admitting that is I think it just proved something to me that paintings are something unique. You get a chance to find something that resonates with you, and you have to decide there and then, is it worth purchasing, or are you going to pass on it? When I've purchased art, especially paintings that require some larger investment, the one thing that I'm looking at most of all is not whether it is an investment, but whether I'm going to enjoy looking at that painting next week or next year or in the future. It's always art that I really love. I don't purchase art for any other reason. As an artist, producing paintings that are of a high quality is very important to me. Also about making the collector, someone like you, feel comfortable that you're getting something that is produced with care and the finest materials. I don't want anyone to have doubt about those things. I do offer a return guarantee on the paintings that I sell, but obviously I don't want anyone to be disappointed with a painting. So I take a lot of care in producing that piece of art, and it is something that is something I want collectors to take for granted. What's more important to me is the experience of the painting itself, how it makes you feel, what it does for your home or your office, and the pleasure you get from it. And that is what it is all comes down to, in my opinion. The paintings are supplied with frames, and I now do have a range of frames on offer that are hand finished. If I show you two examples of those. This is, as you can see, a cream colored frame, molding with the gold detail, and as I said, these are hand finished as well, so they are unique. Another example is a more traditional look with the dark outer frame and the gold inner detail, also hand finished. And these are the two main lines of hand finished frames that I offer. The price that you see, it includes the frames. As far as international deliveries are concerned, I do sell and deliver overseas very often. The transportation depends on obviously the destination, so I will provide a quote to you whether you want it by courier or by airmail. You'll have those options and you can decide which is best for you. In each case, the frame is also included. For local deliveries, I do include that in the price as well, so there's no extra charge for local deliveries. I hope you enjoy having a look at the paintings in my gallery, and if you want to discuss anything about the paintings or find out more about them, just let me know, and I'll get back to you shortly. Thanks for visiting, and hope to hear from you soon.